somewhere in here. There's a rim. If anybody needs any of these, just hit me up. I'm gonna have them for the rest of my life. I got the rotors and the speed sensor onto the new rim, as you can see. So now I'm just waiting on the new radiator. Hopefully it'll be the right size. If it is, I will put it on, and then I'll put this on. I'm just waiting because it's a lot easier to put the radiator on without this in the way. So once I get those two things on, I can wheel it outside and turn it on, see how it sounds. And then if it's good, all I'll need is a headlight assembly and fairings, and then it'll be back on the road. All right, I don't even remember how long it's been since I've recorded last. I had another radiator delivered yesterday, and as you can see by the lack of a radiator, that one was also too thick. So I'm now at the point where I'm messaging people on eBay, asking them how thick is it, with more context obviously, because that sounds bad, but I'm asking them about the radiator before I even order it, because I'm tired of buying them and them being too thick. It's an upgrade because it has more capacity for coolant, but then the reservoir doesn't fit on the side anymore, so it's not an upgrade. I hate it, and I'm getting tired of it. But that's literally all I'm waiting on. So right now I'm just rebuilding this area a little bit while I wait. Literally all I have to do is put that on. I have the tire and stuff, I just haven't put it on because the radiator would be way easier without it in the way. But like, that's literally all I'm waiting on. And then once I do that, get it down, I'm gonna loosen up the bolts and stuff to get the forks lined up and stuff, just to make sure. And then we can see if it runs. But the only reason this isn't way further along is because I keep having to return the radiator and order a new one. So I'm trying to find one that's the same width before I buy it, but it's a huge pain. Alright, so I just finished fixing my R6 in a separate video, but I mentioned that the radiator got here. This is for a Gen 4, which is the previous gen. This is Gen 5, but from all the pictures I saw and stuff, it's exactly the same. So I'm gonna try to fit it on there, which it should be fine, and if so, I'll fill it up with coolant, and then I'm gonna put the tire on, wheel it outside, and see if it starts, and if it does, how it sounds. Well, you'll probably never believe this, but I cannot find my 10mm socket, which is crazy. That's the only thing I need left to get that bolt securely in there. And then I can put the wheel and stuff on. Well, put the coolant reservoir. But this bolt, I can't really, it's hard to get. It's too closed in there to use the wrench. So I need to find the socket. But believe it or not, it's been missing for weeks. So I gotta find it, I guess. Alright, finally, a month and a half later, I got everything mounted that actually fits. So I gotta fill these both back up, slap the wheel on, and then I will take it down from the beam, finally, roll it outside and start her up. Here it is with the new tire on, the new rim and everything. It's an ugly ass tire. I don't really like it, but it's pretty much brand new, so I'll use it. I just filled everything up with coolant, so time to get it outside and see how it sounds. Alright, this really feels like deja vu, seeing the bike look like this again and seeing if it'll start. But I got a new ignition in. Let's see. It's a good sign. Sweet. check engine light or anything. It's good. Alright, I shut the bike back off so now you can hear me. Check engine light and stuff went off. This is the only light that was on, which was on the last time I worked on this, so I'm not too concerned. I will figure that out. But, right, I forgot what I was going to say. The only thing I have left now, I have to order a new headlight assembly because the tabs that mount it are broken, like I said before. So I have to replace that, and I got to order a new set of fairings, which also sucks because it's going to be expensive for those two parts. But I fixed the brake caliper. It's not leaking anymore, so I'll bleed those. I will get the forks aligned, and that should be it, besides wait for the rest to come in and get it on there. So not a whole lot left. Should be done pretty soon, which I'm excited about. Well, can't really say soon because shipping takes a while sometimes, but once I get that stuff, it'll be done. So thanks for watching me rebuild this bike a second time, and hopefully the last time. But again, thank you for watching, and next time you see this bike, I'll be riding it. Later.